Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Bamari. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a simple Boubou gown. It's easy and beginners friendly. Let's get right into the video. Thanks for watching. Using this beautiful Ankara print, I went ahead to fold my fabric into 4. You can see. Then I went ahead to take the full gown measurement, which is 55 inches. Then I'll mark the 55 inches and cut it out. For the gown neckline, I'll be marking 3.5 inches width and 1 inch depth for the back and 8 inches depth for the front. I'll go ahead to rule it out. It is a V neckline shape. For the shoulder slope, I'll be coming down 3 inches for my shoulder to mark the shoulder slope. Then after marking that, I'll be using an armhole of 12 inches. So I'll go ahead to mark 12 inches. Then I'll mark it out and rule it to the neckline. For the wings of the Boubou, I'll be coming down from the shoulder to slightly below the knee length, which is 40 inches. So I'll go ahead to mark that out. So that is where my Boubou wings will stop. For the wideness of your Boubou wings, you can either decide to use your remaining Ankara left if you want it to be very free, or you should use 1/4 of your hip plus 6 inches for the wideness of your Boubou wings. But I will just be using the remaining length of my Ankara wings because I want my Boubou wings to be very free and wide. For my nail measurement, my nail is 8. I'll be adding 6 inches to my nail measurement, so that is 14. So I'll just be measuring 14 inches at my nail level downwards. Then I will just go ahead to cut everything I've marked down. I first cut the back neckline, then I separated it to cut the front neckline. For the 12-inch armhole I marked, I went ahead to notch it because I'll be folding it in. For the front neckline, I went ahead to cut a 2-inch strap for the front neckline because I'll be making a V shape. So I went ahead to just come in at the front neckline by 1/2 inch and reshaped it. This is totally optional. You can do any neckline design of your choice. This is how the front gown is looking after cutting. I'll go ahead to attach the neckline collar to it and show you how it looks like. Then I went ahead to check the wideness of the neck and adjusted it to the 7 inches wideness we left for the neck. This is how it is looking. I'm just going to top stitch it. It's looking like I'm just going to trim out the excesses inside. The next thing I'm going to do is to join the shoulders of the Boubou. You can see the back neckline. I've gone ahead to add an interface to the back neckline, so I'll just join the shoulders and show you how it looks. Here I've joined the shoulders. You can see I've joined the shoulders. So the sleeve at this area that I notched 12 inches, I will further cut it in by 2 inch. I extended the slit by 2 inch, then I'll go ahead to fold it in. I need to cut it in by 2 inch. So this 2 inch, I'll just go ahead to fold the sleeve inside like this way. I'll fold it and hem it. You can see how the sleeve is looking after I've hemmed it, so I'll just go ahead to shape it from the sleeves to the side of the gown to the nail part downwards, and I'll cut off the excesses at the side. I'll do the same thing for the other side, from the sleeve to the sides downward. This is how the gown is looking. I'll go ahead to trim off the excesses at the side. I'll also trim off the excesses at this side. You can see I've hemmed the down part of the gown, and the full length is 55 inches, and we are done with our gown. Also, don't forget to notch the sleeve area so that it can sit properly when you turn it. You can see how beautiful our Bubu gown turned out. It is very easy to make. Thanks for watching to the end. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. See you in my next video. Bye.